Model, 2021 Citroen Berlingo Enterprise Bluehdi Genuine Low Mileage Spares or Repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 71,221. Engine, 1,499 cc DV5 RERDE2. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, timing belt has snapped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, sat-nav, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.